As soon as we found out about the Trans-European Trail, Christopher and I immediately knew that this would have to be our next challenge. Stretching through 30 countries, this 51,000 kilometer off-road trail around Europe is an epic motorcycle adventure. We decided to do the leg from Estonia to Romania, as this is the most remote part. With minimal preparation and ultralight luggage, we immediately hit the trail. And right away we realized that this trip wasn't gonna be just smooth sailing. Broken bridges, soft unpredictable soil and deep dark forest would require our maximum concentration to avoid serious disaster. Very soon, the problem started to appear as one of our bikes lost all the hydraulic fluid for the clutch. It took us half a day to get out of the forest and find an old farm. With chewing gum and some baby oil, we managed to fix the problem. For now. They say Romania is the last wild country in Europe, and we couldn't agree more. Life is very peaceful here, almost as if you turned the time back for 100 years. Little did we know that Romania had recently suffered the worst floodings in a century, and the trail was closed or even missing completely.
So this is the trail in Romania. This is what we're dealing with. 200 meters in, mudslides has taken the whole road.
At this point our bikes were in a bad shape and our bodies had seen better days.
So you think this could be a problem? And you got this as an even bigger problem. Classic landslides.
But we didn't make it this far by giving up, so we decided to push on. The trail had literally turned into a river canyon, so we had to advance slowly and with care not to fall down the steep cliff sides. The more exhausted we get, the more mistakes we make. Every time we reached a village, we ate and drank as much as we could, and sometimes even stretched out in a real bed. The bikes were taking a serious beating by now and started to fall apart. Malfunctioning suspensions, bent handlebars and countless flat tires. We were told that we were the first to ride the trail since the rainstorms and there would be no rescue if anything happened. The only way out would be by helicopter evacuation, but this requires a cell phone reception.
Building road.
We had 2,000 kilometers of mountain trails ahead of us. Sometimes a river was the easiest road to ride. It had truly been a great adventure, and all the troubles just added to our sense of achievement. Eventually we made it out of the mountain sections and reached our final destination. The Trans-Euro Trail really is an epic adventure, and we can't wait to start planning the next one. If you like this video, subscribe, like and share your comments with us. See you out there.